today we have gathered here to celebrate National Science Day. So as you know, it falls every year on 28th of February. And for this year, our government of India has launched that we can introduce technology to mix it Bharat. ठीक है? तो जो National Science Day मनाया जाता है, it is basically celebrate to pay respect to Sir C.V. Raman, जिनका जो साइंस की फील्ड में जो है बहुत बड़ा योगदान था. सर C.V. रमन का जो डिस्कवरी थी, सर C.V. रमन की जो डिस्कवरी हुई थी, डिस्कवरी का नाम पता है सभी को? C.V. रमन की जो डिस्कवरी थी, जो रमन इफेक्ट है, रमन इफेक्ट जो है किसने डिस्कवर किया था? हमारे सर C.V. रमन ने डिस्कवर किया था, जिसके लिए उनको जो है 1930 में जो है नोबेल प्राइज भी मिला था, नोबेल प्राइज फॉर फिजिक्स. ठीक है, तो आज उन्हीं को एक कंट्रीब्यूशन, जो उनका कंट्रीब्यूशन था साइंस की फील्ड में, तो उसी को जो है हम रिस्पेक्ट प्रोवाइड करने के लिए और जो है साइंस को, कि साइंस का आज के टाइम पे कितना बड़ा रोल है हमारी कंट्री के लिए, हमारी इकोनॉमी के लिए, कितना बड़ा रोल जो साइंस प्ले करता है हमारे नेशन की तरफ या किसी भी चीज के बिल्डिंग की तरफ, उसको क्या करते हैं हम, उसको हम काम करते हैं. ठीक, ये करना चाहती मैं एज अ पर्सन, ठीक है, कि मैं खुद एक साइंस टीचर, तो हमें ये सिखाया जाता है कि साइंस क्यों इतनी इंपॉर्टेंट है. व्हाई शुड एवरीवन नो अबाउट साइंस, व्हाट इज साइंस, साइंस क्यों जरूरी है हमारी लाइफ के लिए. हमेशा याद रखना, साइंस को एज अ सब्जेक्ट भी अगर आप नहीं लेते हो तो साइंस आपके डे टू डे लाइफ में इतनी इंपॉर्टेंट है. ठीक है, हर चीज से आप देख सकते हैं, चाहे आप स्पेक्स लगा लें, चाहे कोई भी जिप्स है, छोटी से छोटी चीज में क्या है, साइंस छिपी हुई है. माना जाता है साइंस का जो नेचर है, जैसे आप हर चीज की जो कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स पढ़ते हैं कि लाइट के कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स क्या है, किसी भी चीज के आप कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स पढ़ते हैं, तो साइंस का भी कैरेक्टरिस्टिक है. क्या है साइंस का कैरेक्टरिस्टिक? कि वो हमेशा सत्य की तलाश में रहता है, सत्य की तलाश में. ठीक है, अगर आप साइंस पढ़ते हो तो आप भी क्या करोगे, हमेशा ट्रुथ को ढूंढते रहोगे कि सच्चाई क्या है, हर टाइम क्या करोगे आप, सच का साथ दोगे एज अपनी पर्सनल लाइफ में आपको होता है. ठीक है, साइंस जो इंसान पढ़ता है, ठीक है, वो कभी भी किसी की सुनी हुई बातों पे नहीं आता है, क्योंकि उसे क्या चाहिए होता है, साइंस का नेचर क्या है कि उसे जो एविडेंस चाहिए, प्रूफ चाहिए कि ये जो बात है वो सत्य है या फिर नहीं है, ये कितनी ट्रू है, किस हद तक ट्रू है. क्योंकि साइंस जो है किसके ऊपर बेस्ड है, पूरी की पूरी रिसर्च के ऊपर बेस्ड है, क्या सच है क्या झूठ है. तो ये एक ह्यूमन इंडिविजुअल में भी क्या क्वालिटी डेवलप करती है कि वो हमेशा ट्रुथ को क्या करेगा, पोजीशन देगा कि सच क्या है, उसको जानने की क्या करेगा, कोशिश करेगा. आप किसी भी सुनी हुई बातों में नहीं आओगे अनलेस आप जो है उसको आइडेंटिफाई नहीं कर लेते. ठीक है, तो चलिए.
The science of today, technology of tomorrow, and we hold this National Science Day. Everything is theoretically impossible until it's done. So let's do something extraordinary today. Good morning everyone, respected lecturer, teacher, and my dear friends. I am Ashunath from class 9. It is an honor for me to stand before you today on this special occasion of Science Day. National Science Day is a celebration of scientific research and discovery and marks the anniversary of discovery of the Raman effect by Sir C.V. Raman on 28th February 1928. C.V. Raman, also known as the Great Indian Physicist Chandrasekhar Venkata Raman, was born on August 7, 1888. Teacher from Tamil Nadu. C.V. Raman's father was a physics teacher and therefore he was the subject. He was an excellent student from the start. He was matriculation examination at the University of Madras at the tender age of 12 as a bright and promising young man. He was elected as a fellow of the Royal Society of London in 1924. In 1928, he discovered the Raman effect. For this, he received the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1930. He was the first Indian to receive this prestigious award. Another individual who played a vital role in the field of science and served many years to our nation as a renowned scientist, teacher and as a president. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. He was born on 15 October 1931 in Tamil Nadu. He rise from a humble family background to one of the most famous scientists in the world is quite phenomenal. He has set an example for all by achieving his dreams and fighting against all adversities since his childhood. He was popularly known as Missile Man of India. To quote him from his autobiography, never stop fighting until you arrive at your destined place. That is the unique you have an aim in life. Continuously acquire knowledge, work hard and have perseverance to realize the great life. The day commemorates the remarkable contribution of scientists, promotes the scientific temperature and highlights the importance of science in our lives. Science serves as the backbone of economic growth, boosts industries, improves healthcare and contributes to improvement in agriculture to ensure food security. In addition, crucial for training a skilled workforce. This year, science day theme is indigenous technology of Viksit Bharat. Lastly, I want to conclude my speech by the words of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam for ignited minds. And to God the Almighty, make my people sweat, let their toil create many. more enemies that can intimidate evil. Let my country prosper in peace. Let my people live in harmony. Let me go to dust as a proud citizen of India to rise again and rejoice in glory. Thank you.
Morning everyone, my name is Harith Khan and I am in class 9. Which types of motion? First, rotating motion. Rotating motion is a rotate in the circular path.
Okay.
And second is circulating motion.
Okay.
Circulating is rotate and circular motion is called circulating.
Okay, next.
And third, oscillating motion. To and fro about 6 positions.
Okay. And next.
Third,
Okay.
fluidic motion is repeated in equal interval of time.
Okay.
And linear motion is a straight line.
Okay.
Myself is Mark from class 9. My model is on Newton's ladder. This explains the first and second and third law of motion. Like let the mass of this ball be x. So if the x mass is hit on this object, then the x mass will be returned like this.
Okay.
And if two balls have y mass, so y mass will be detached like
Okay.
this.
Okay, very good.
That's all this model does.
Okay.
Tell me about the Newton's third law of motion.
The third law of Newton, action equal to reaction.
Okay.
Give an example.
Example: the two objects collide with the same force.
Law of motion states that when an force applied to an object, it is directly proportional to applied unbalanced force in direction of force.
Okay.
From class 9. I have made a model of gravitational force, so my model is gravitational force. It is my model.
Okay.
So this is the object. The force there, force.
Yes.
This here is a force.
Okay.
This here is a force.
Okay.
Now the force is इसमें force नहीं है. But my name is Ashwata from class 9. I made a model of gravitational force. That is my model.
Okay.
This is the air.
Okay.
Air is object. Air is the pressure in the object.
Okay.
Yes. Air pressure on the object.
Okay.
No pressure. Object is not there.
Okay.
इसमें जो ग्रेविटी है अभी फोर्स नहीं है. ग्रेविटी है, फोर्स नहीं है. जब ग्रेविटी है, अर्थ अपनी तरफ ऑब्जेक्ट को अटैक कर रही है. ग्रेविटी में अर्थ ने ग्रेविटी को अटैक किया. अब इसमें हम फोर्स लगाएंगे. अब इसमें अगर फोर्स लगेगा,
जो ऑब्जेक्ट होगा वो फ्लाई करेगा. देखो
जो ऑब्जेक्ट है वो स्टेबल है. ग्रेविटी खत्म होगी, फोर्स लग रहा है, ऑब्जेक्ट स्टेबल हो गया. ग्रेविटी से फोर्स हो रहा है.
Okay, nice.
Gravitational force.
when the gravitational forces are attracting them.
Gravitation is every object in the universe that is directly proportional to their mass, product of their masses, and inversely proportional to the square distance between them.
समझ लो. Good morning, teachers. I am Ashna Sharma with my teams from class 9. We have worked on this model of periodic table. So today we have to go and explain this model.
Okay.
Here the some elements are written with their symbols, but the symbols are irregularly arranged. When we matched with the correct symbol, the light will be glow. But if we matched with the wrong symbols, the light will be not glow. So let's see how it works.
Okay.
Let's match the hydrogen symbol with B.
Okay.
You can see the light is not blue. It means the B is not the correct symbol of hydrogen. Let's try next symbol. Ne. You show the light is also not blue. It means this is also not the correct symbol of hydrogen. You see the symbol of hydrogen H. You see the bulb is low. This is the correct symbol of hydrogen.
Okay.
The next one, we go with the element of helium. We connect with the He. you can see the light is glow. It means the H is the correct symbol of helium.
Okay, and what about sodium?
Go with the C, sodium.
Okay.
And N is the correct symbol of sodium.
Okay, what is the symbol of chlorine? Symbol. What is the symbol of chlorine?
Atomic mass of hydrogen.
I am Smriti Tiwari from class 9. Today we have prepared the model of atomic structure. According to Bohr's model, this is the atomic structure of an element. The center of atom consists a nucleus.
Okay.
The nucleus consists protons and neutrons.
Okay.
And the electrons revolve around the nucleus. And when electrons revolve around the nucleus, they do not radiate energy because the orbit is known as discrete orbit. This orbit is special because when electrons revolve around it, so they do not radiate energy.
Okay.
Type of charge in Bohr.
And neutron is charged.
Okay. Yes, it have no charge, right? Okay. And who discovered electron?
If the number of protons is 16, what is the number of
Very good.
How many electrons are present in the first shell of an atom?
Okay, and third? Very good.
Good morning to all. My name is Priyanshu. I study in class 8. My topic name is accumulation of charges leading to light. On the upper edges of clouds, there are positive charges, and in the lower edges of the clouds, there are negative charges. When these charges accumulate with each other, they produce a spark of light in large amount. This spark of light in large amount leads to lightning. In the surface of Earth, there are positive charges. The electric current, the lightning goes inside the earth by the process of earthing.
Okay. What preventive measure do we take so as to prevent the house of the lightning?
We can get a metallic rod on our roof,
Any specific name for that?
lightning conductor.
Yes. Okay, what safety measures we must follow from lightning?
If we are outdoors, we should sit or we should go to a short tree because a tall tree is nearest to the lightning. And if we are in bus, we should stay with the driver to stop, go to the nearest and if we are in house, we should stop electrical appliances and we should not take bath.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Ansar. I live in class 8. My topic is on human eye. Eye is an organ through which we can see the object. Eye consists of many organs like cornea, pupil, lens, iris, ciliary muscles, retina, blind spot, optic nerve. Cornea. It is the front transparent part of the human eye. Iris control the size of the pupil and give distinctive color to the pupil. And lens, in human beings, the convex lens is present, and pupil is the small opening of the iris. Retina, the image formation takes place in the retina with the help of a sensitive cells. Blind spot, there are no sensitive cells in the blind spot. Optic nerve. Now that carry message from retina to the brain is optic nerve.